I'm Mark with Porsche Center Edmonton. Thanks for tuning in to this ride along here. We're currently in a Carrera 4 GTS. It's an absolutely immense vehicle. So going through the bends here with the rear wheel steering active. The steering is absolutely telepathic. I can put this car anywhere that I want. It gives me a huge sense of confidence. With the GTS communication package and the full leather package, I also have an extra sense of occasion with Alcantara, carbon fiber, full leather dashboard, red GTS trim. I've got a special red rev counter with a white needle for this package, so it's really the way a sports car should be. And I'm enjoying this, so I'm going to go onto Sport Response button now and have some fun. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is a great car. I hope we can help you make it yours. You can call me at 780-426-3000 and ask for Mark at the store. And hopefully we'll get to go for a drive in this.